In the fast-paced world of project management, proficiency with tools is as crucial as understanding methodologies. Smartsheet has emerged as a powerful work management platform, enabling teams to plan, track, automate, and report on projects and processes. As its adoption grows across various industries, many project managers, team leads, and even individual contributors often wonder, is there a Smartsheet certification? The answer is a definitive yes. Smartsheet offers a comprehensive certification program designed to validate users' expertise at various levels, from foundational product knowledge to specialized solution building, including a specific certification for project management. This program is a valuable asset for anyone looking to demonstrate their proficiency, enhance their career prospects, and maximize the utility of Smartsheet within their organization. Why certification matters in project management. Before diving into the specifics of Smartsheet certifications, let's quickly touch upon why certifications in general hold weight in the project management field. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how certifications validate skills. They provide objective proof that an individual possesses a certain level of knowledge and practical ability with a tool or methodology. Boost credibility. For employers and clients, a certification indicates a commitment to professional development and a higher likelihood of success. Enhance career opportunities. Certified professionals often have a competitive edge in the job market and may qualify for higher-level roles and better compensation. Standardize best practices. Certification programs often align with industry best practices, ensuring that certified individuals apply effective and efficient techniques. Foster continuous learning. The process of preparing for and maintaining a certification encourages ongoing learning and adaptation to new features and trends. Given Smartsheet's increasing presence in project and work management, a certification in its use directly contributes to these benefits, particularly for those whose roles heavily involve the platform. Smartsheet certification paths. A closer look. Smartsheet certification program, known as Smartsheet Certified, was launched to provide a structured way for users to validate their skills. It offers several distinct certifications, catering to different roles and levels of expertise. Core Product Certification. Who it's for. This is the foundational certification, ideal for any Smartsheet user who wants to demonstrate a solid understanding of the platform's core features and functionalities. Think of it as proving you can effectively build and configure collaborative work environments within Smartsheet. What it covers. Basic sheet structure, columns, rows, formulas, conditional formatting, sharing, basic automation, reports, and dashboards. It confirms your ability to navigate the interface and utilize key features for daily work. Project Management Certification. Who it's for. This is highly relevant for project managers, project coordinators, and anyone heavily involved in managing projects using Smartsheet. It's designed for users who can leverage Smartsheet to manage the entire project lifecycle. What it covers. This certification directly maps to the 5 phases of project management: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing, as often defined by PMI, Project Management Institute. Candidates are expected to demonstrate proficiency in designing project request forms, creating and structuring project plans, WBS, dependencies, milestones, collaborating on tasks, update requests, conversations, attachments, monitoring project progress with baselines, reports, and dashboards, managing risks and issues logs, handling project closeout procedures. Prerequisite. While not strictly required, it's highly recommended to have the core product certification beforehand, as it builds on those foundational skills. It also suggests candidates have at least 6 months of experience using Smartsheet for project management. System Administrator Certification. Who it's for. Aimed at individuals who manage their organization's Smartsheet account, including user management, security settings, licenses, and data policies. What it covers. Account administration, security controls, user provisioning, managing workspaces, templates, and integration settings. Control Center Lead Certification and Control Center Blueprint Builder Certification. Who they're for. These are advanced certifications for users working with Smartsheet Control Center, a premium application for managing consistent, scaled programs and projects across an organization. These target those who design, build, and manage sophisticated solutions and blueprints. How to get certified. Smartsheet provides resources through Smartsheet University to help candidates prepare for these certifications. This includes self-paced learning paths, curated online courses and modules that cover the necessary topics, instructor-led training, live virtual sessions for more interactive and in-depth learning, practice exams, to test your knowledge and readiness before the actual certification exam, exam guides, detailed outlines of the content covered in each exam. The certification exams are typically proctored and assess both theoretical knowledge, multiple choice questions, and sometimes practical application, simulations, or solution building, depending on the certification level. There is a fee associated with each certification exam, and often a learning and certification pass can be purchased from Smartsheet University, which includes access to premium training content and multiple exam attempts. Benefits for project managers. For a project manager, obtaining a Smartsheet certification, especially the project management certification, offers tangible advantages. Demonstrated expertise. It officially validates your ability to leverage Smartsheet for real-world project scenarios, beyond just basic task tracking. Increased efficiency. The preparation process itself will deepen your understanding of Smartsheet's advanced features, leading to more efficient project planning, execution, and monitoring. Better reporting and insights. Mastering Smartsheet's reporting and dashboard capabilities, a key part of the certification, empowers you to provide clearer, more impactful project status updates to stakeholders. Enhanced collaboration. Understanding how to utilize Smartsheet's collaboration features effectively can significantly improve communication and teamwork within your project. Career advancement. It serves as a valuable credential on your resume, potentially opening doors to new opportunities or internal promotions in organizations that rely on Smartsheet. Problem-solving skills. The certification process challenges you to think about how to solve common project management problems using Smartsheet's robust feature set.